Are you trying to decide between Madgicx and AdEspresso? Let's break it down. In this video, we will compare these two popular advertising tools. Both aim to help you create effective ads and manage campaigns easily. But which one is right for you? Madgicx uses AI to optimize your ads. It helps you find your best performing audience and improves ad performance over time. You can also track all your campaigns in one place, making it easier to see what works. On the other hand, AdEspresso focuses on Facebook and Instagram ads. It offers a user friendly interface for creating and testing ads. Plus, it provides detailed analytics to help you understand your results better. Now, let's look at their key differences. Madgicx is great for overall ad optimization, while AdEspresso shines in social media advertising. If you need a broad tool for various platforms, Madgicx might be your choice. But if you want to dive deep into social ads, AdEspresso could be better. When it comes to features, Madgicx offers advanced AI tools and multi-platform support. AdEspresso, however, provides easy ad creation and split testing features that are very beginner friendly. In terms of pricing, both tools offer various plans. Madgicx has options based on your ad spend, while AdEspresso has monthly plans that cater to different needs. So, who should choose what? If you want comprehensive ad management with AI support, go with Madgicx. But if you are focused on social media ads and want ease of use, AdEspresso is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.